As one of the largest inland industrialized cities, Chongqing gets a rapid industrial development and continuously exports to domestic and overseas market high-quality industrial products, which are widely applied into every corner of social development. Being a leader of Chongqing manufacturing industry, Chongqing LIFAN Group has for many years been growing to be a large-scale private enterprise, mainly engaged in scientific research and development, production and sales of engines, motorcycles, automobiles and general-purpose machinery, and further integrated with the investment of finance, real estate and football club. With strong strength and advanced technology, it maintains an impregnable position in the fierce market competition. Chongqing LIFAN Power Company Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of LIFAN Industry Group Company Limited. Under the support and drive of LIFAN Group, Chongqing LIFAN Power Company Limited makes constant improvement and wins the consistent approvals from the domestic and foreign customers with its excellent product and superior quality. Chongqing LIFAN Power Company Limited is the key manufacturing enterprise appointed by State Bureau of Machine Building Industry for small general-purpose gasoline engine and diesel engine under two brands, LIFAN and CC. It is mainly engaged in the manufacturing and marketing of a general-purpose gasoline engine and diesel engine, covering more than 100 kinds of products, including general-purpose gasoline and diesel engine, generator, arc welder, water pump, high-pressure cleaning machine, garden machinery, agricultural machinery, construction machinery, and outboard engine, etc. These outstanding industrial products are widely used in the domestic and foreign industries like agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, and fishery, etc., and powerfully drives the development of all industries. Superior products are closely connected to advanced technology and a strict production process. In the phase of product development, Chongqing LIFAN Power Company Limited is based on the national-level research laboratory of LIFAN Group, keeping its technology innovation and independent R&D capacity leading level in China, and continuously bringing new vitality into our product. Moreover, the application of the equipment such as a dynamometer, 3D coordinate measuring instrument, automatic turret, digital micro-Vickers harness tester also ensures the precision and strength of a product. Strict control of all processes and perpetual innovation as a brand appeal are the consistent working attitude of Chongqing LIFAN Power Company Limited. In the process of production, from accessories to sub-assembly, specific job petitions are orderly made and strictly classified. Its production capacity is about 1 million units of general-purpose gasoline engine and various terminal power products with a modernized production line, which improves the work efficiency and ensures the high-quality products. Seemingly ordinary components have been given a new life on the line, and they will be transformed with the cooperation of advanced production equipment, including crankcase modular assembling machine, piston ring assembling machine, crankcase cover modular pressing machine, high-speed pressing machine via bar head locking clamp, and Ingersoll-Rand auto tightening machine from scattered spare parts to different precise sub-assemblies. Meticulous work attitude and scientific and rational classification operation not only improve the working efficiency but also provide a strong quality assurance for the birth of each product. For the quality control from spare parts to finished products, our company has a perfect quality management system and a quality testing machine from the incoming inspection of a spare parts to the air leakage test of a sub-assembly, full automatic air leakage detector, clearance test, compression test, pressure test tester, further to the running in test of a general assembly, generator testing platform, and final performance test, with each process careful and accurate. The serious and responsible attitude of our company also gets general consent from all aspects. Our company has passed the certification of ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System, and most products pass the Product Safety Certification (CE/GS) and the European 2 emission standard issued by TÜV, as well as EPA emission certification issued by US Environmental Protection Agency and a CARB emission certification issued by California Air Resources Board. If the precise production is what LIFAN emphasizes on product quality, strict inspection shall be embodiment of the LIFAN people's responsibility for customers. LIFAN motorcycle engine has experienced a glorious development of more than 20 years, but still brilliant. The production and sales for engine is accelerating, which is closely linked with a large professional sales team and a perfect after-sales networks. We have a lot of advantages. For example, we can share the sales networks and after-sales service from motorcycle power department. Chongqing LIFAN Power Company Limited establishes a huge sales and after-sales network across the country. With its increasing market coverage and exported to Southeast Asia, South Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Western Europe, North America, Oceania, and other regions. Our professional after-sales service team timely provides itinerary service of high efficiency and quality. Standing in the teeth of the storm enables us to feel the pulse of the times. With the constant development of the market today, the challenge and opportunity come along, and in the tide of the times, we witness the glory of the strong. Chongqing LIFAN Power Company Limited will not fear challenges, bravely move forward, and embrace the new future forever. LIFAN, your light, our hope.